I built a free Airbnb Webscraper because the existing data providers cost too damn much. And the only problem is I've never built a Webscraper before. So why did I do this? Well, I'm a man of high conviction, and I thought it would be a great way to learn Python because I forgot to mention, I'm also still learning how to code with Python. But it's okay because I know the Dunning-Kruger effect has my back.
I started the project feeling good. I'd read a couple Medium articles on using Selenium with beautiful soup to web scrape Airbnb, but I quickly found out that the confidence I had was definitely the Dunning-Kruger effect hitting hard.
Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Since we didn't talk about the original goal of the Webscraper before, here it is now. Every page of Airbnb has a list of cards that represent a specific stay. Our scraper should allow us to set the location, scrape every card on the current page for the stay type, the rating out of 5, the number of reviews, and the URL for the card itself. Once we have the URL for the specific card, then we should be able to get the number of beds, bedrooms, baths, and the stay per night. Finally, since there are many pages for Airbnb for any specific location, we need to be able to use pagination. And then finally, we need to save all of that data into a CSV file that I can later use to build a machine learning model. If we can get all these things done, then we consider the project a done. Also, if this video gets 100 likes, I'll be sure to open source the code. So if you haven't already, click the like button and subscribe for more content.
All right, back to the video.
Yeah? Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm just recording, give me a minute.
All right, after a quick intermission for fresh bread, then back to the video. Let's keep on going. At this point, I've gotten about halfway through and we can now get to the...
No!
Don't worry, we're fine. Let's just keep going. We wrote the function to get the URLs for each card based on the location.
Next, we got to work on getting the data for each individual card, and that's where we ran into another problem. Ugh, that sucks. I didn't know getting the data from each individual card would be such a... If you didn't know, if a host is a top rated host, then the content within the card shows up differently than the rest of the individual stays. That makes it a to scrape data properly. So we went back to the function we wrote earlier that gets each card's URL, and added statements to get the stay type, the rating, and the number of reviews. And next we have to tackle the pagination, which has historically been challenging for me, but surprisingly, hey, this work? First time running this code, it seems to be working. That's the same. I don't know if I've ever had that happen when I'm just learning a language for the first time. Let's just hope that that's it. Pagination works. I keep refining it, but I think we've cracked it. First try, no cut. Works mostly, caveat, star, asterisk, mostly as intended. I'm pretty jazzed about that. That's cool. This is not faked. I am actually still stunned that this worked first try.
After that, I breezed through the final piece of the puzzle, which was to create a function that combined the logic from the last 3 functions together. And with that,
the Airbnb Webscraper is complete, and I probably saved enough to buy myself a nice lunch. Was it worth it? Let me know below, and let me know if you liked staying in Airbnbs or hotels more. Okay, thanks, bye.